Hi, today we continue our interview with Artem, founder and CEO of YouReg. Artem, last time we ended with a discussion of the changes the product has gone through since its foundation. How can you describe the product now?
Hello again. Simply describing YouReg, I can say that it's an online platform that provides an opportunity to register and administrate companies in Cyprus, Hong Kong, and Emirates. Besides administration, YouReg also provide the additional so-called supporting services like bookkeeping, bank account opening, tax reporting, economic substance reporting if it's needed according to the local regulation where a company exists. And all these services are delivered remotely, digitally, with the possibility to do digital everything.
That's great. Why exactly these services? Can you describe your client?
Of course. So, jobs to be done approach that we used in our daily routine operations shows us the main problem that entrepreneurs are facing on during the activity. And so, in fact, jobs to be done approach revealed that first of all, entrepreneurs are looking to the one-stop shop solution that covers their problem in taxes, bookkeeping, and compliance to the corporate regulation. Because the majority of our clients, they're young entrepreneurs and the startup teams, they're not very well educated regarding taxes and legal regulation issues. They're not very much experienced regarding business and risks that are created in the operations. So in fact, they also need the solution that will give them an opportunity proactively cover all their needs, even maybe they don't even recognize that there are some risks existed in their operation. And so in fact, what we are focused on right now is just to create the framework that creates an ecosystem where it's impossible to make a mistake, when it's automatically ask all the questions that are needed, that provide all boxes that you need to tick to be sure that you're compliant to the regulation and you don't have any tax or other regulatory issues. The second group of our clients, that's the professionals. So the lawyers from companies, internal lawyers, that we work with them and they use our services because we make their internal work, more efficient, fast. We solve their problems of big number of suppliers from different jurisdictions with whom they have to manage different time zones, different approaches, different regulations, and etc. etc. With YouReg, they work with one account within YouReg. Doesn't matter what jurisdictions they need to deal with. And so we simplify, and again we create the framework. No need to understand the regulation of all jurisdiction. Just do what YouReg provides, and that's it. And it covers everything. And third group that right now we're developing relations. That's the old school professionals like law firm, accounting firms or CPAs, corporate services providers. So, but we treat them absolutely different, and I can talk in details later about it.
Sounds interesting. You mentioned earlier YouReg partners with different services to provide better automation of client service. Can you please tell more about this?
Of course. So, first of all, YouReg as a platform doesn't provide any service. We create the framework and we give an opportunity to end user more effectively communicate with the service provider. It means that the success of our business is when we provide and deliver services to the end user and they value it, but also we have trusted suppliers, the service provider that actually, yes, within the framework created by YouReg, but in fact, if you need somebody to go to the court or to the tax authority or to work with the auditor, there is some professionals as at the back end of YouReg. So in fact, to work with partners, that's the core operations for us, as the same core as work with end users. And we work with CPAs, we work with corporate services providers, we work with neobanks and electronic money institutions that give an opportunity to open the corporate bank account remotely when the clients come to YouReg for registration of new company. Tax advisors, that we use when tax consulting is needed from the client side. All these service providers are fully integrated within YouReg ecosystem. So digital verification, identification of the client when we open his internal account within YouReg. It's used when this client go through KYC and compliance and during the account opening procedure, or it's used when the client is onboarded by the auditor, or in fact the information that we collect from during our work experience with the client is used by the corporate administrators, for example, for annual report preparation. So in fact, all partners are fully integrated within YouReg. Doesn't matter what they do. And for example, we have the electronic money institutions registered and licensed by Financial Conduct Authority in UK, calls Pt.2, that because of full integration with YouReg, registration of company immediately means they open in the bank account within Pt.2, and it works for the client of YouReg just as miracle.
Well, that's amazing. Thank you. You can try this miracle for yourself. Register a company with YouReg and get a corporate account with Pt.2 for free. You can find more information and links down below.